Welcome to the Wyoming AEM Chromebook Training Series. This video will discuss how to access accessibility features quickly and easily, as well as how to disable accessibility features when a student signs out. Let's get started. For Chromebooks, accessibility options are off by default. To turn on accessibility options, you'll want to add them to the System menu. This will make these options easy to access in the future. First, let's see if the Accessibility menu has already been added to the System menu on your Chromebook. Click on the time in the lower right-hand corner. This will bring up the System menu. If the Accessibility menu has been added to the System menu, you will see it here. The icon for the Accessibility menu looks like a person standing with their arms out. If you do not see this icon, then the Accessibility menu has not been added yet. To add it, click on the Settings icon, which looks like a cog or gear. On the left side of the Settings menu, find the word Advanced. You can click on the word Advanced to bring up another menu. You'll want to click on the word Accessibility. Here, you can add the Accessibility menu to your main System menu. To do this, turn on Always Show Accessibility Options in the System menu. Now, you and your students can quickly and easily find accessibility features on your device. Now, let's go over how to disable accessibility features. This can be very useful for students using shared Chromebooks. When accessibility features are turned on, they are called device sticky, which means these features will stay on even when a student logs out, and they will remain on when another student logs in. If students in your school share Chromebooks, you may want accessibility features to be connected to a student account and not the device itself. To disable accessibility features when a student signs out, you will need to gain access to the Google Admin Console. For now, we will not go over the steps to turn off accessibility settings within the Google Admin Console. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have further questions about Chromebook accessibility, you can visit the Chromebook support webpage at www.support.google.com/Chromebook, or reach out to the Wyoming AEM Clearinghouse at aem@uwyo.edu, or call at 307-766-5770.